x square plus bx plus c. Then how to factorize this type of polynomial? So this x square plus bx plus c can be expressed as x square plus b is in the form of p plus q and then x plus c. P plus q should be b and p into q should be equal to c. So we have to arrange in such a way where p plus q is equal to b and p into q should be equal to c. If the product of these two terms is equal to c and the sum of these two terms is equal to b, then we express this polynomial of this form, and this will be equal to x square plus px plus qx plus c is equal to, x is common here, x plus p, and here also if you take q common, then x plus, because this c can be expressed as p into q because c is equal to p into q. So if q is common, then again x plus p is equal to x plus p into x plus q. In this way we'll solve the polynomial of the form x square plus bx plus c. You take one example, x square plus 9x plus 18, suppose. This is a question and we have to factorize this polynomial. We are seeing that this polynomial is of the form x square plus bx plus c. In place of b, 9 is there. In place of c, 18 is there. So 18 should be factorized in such a way, suppose in such a way, these are the factors 2, 3 and 3. We have these three terms. With the help of these three terms, you find two terms whose addition should be 9 and multiplication should be 18. So in what way we will solve this thing? Three into 2 is 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and 6 into 3 is equal to 18. So 6 and 3 is applicable here. So x square plus 9x can be written as 6x plus 3x plus 18 is equal to x common, x plus 6 plus 3 common. Here also we have x plus 6, and in both the terms x plus 6 is common, so x plus 3 will be left. So these are the factors of the polynomial x square plus 9x plus 18. In this way we'll solve the polynomial which is in the form of x square plus bx plus c. What to do? First of all, since here the coefficient of x square is 1, so we have to see this term only. Plus 18 we have. So this 18 should be factorized by these numbers. So 2, 3, 3, these are the numbers we are getting from 18. So with the help of these three numbers, you have to find two digits whose sum should be 9 and whose product should be 18. So 6 and 3 we are getting. Similarly, you take one more example. Suppose x square plus 5x minus 24. Here we are seeing that minus 24 is given. So 24 minus 24 should be factorized. If it is factorized, then 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. With the help of these four numbers, we should get 5. How will you get 8 and 3? So plus 8 minus 3 will be 5. So x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24 is equal to x common x plus 8 minus 3 common x plus 8 is equal to x plus 8 into x minus 3. Like this, we will solve all the polynomials in the form x square plus bx plus c.